Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business. How everybody doing? So for today, we got a few stocks to watch that jumping in the pre-market. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purpose only. And let us have fun for today. We got ISPO doing all right now, jumping just before the market opened. Yeah, 15 minutes ago. We have a huge news for it. We got announcement to be acquired. We got announcement for acquisition. ISPO jumping on the news of acquisition, guys. That's why jumping 46% from the 3 until the 4. The next one we got VYNE jumping 75%. We've got a level around the 8 cents that we should break at the market open for today to go higher. Yes, 80 cents. It is the level to break at the market open. Let's see if we're gonna have buyers at the market open and squeeze toward almost the $1. ATBC hit our profit taken that we discussed early on our watch list. As you can see here, we set the resistance around the 15 cents. We hit the 16 and then we pulled back. Yes, we hit even the 17 cents and we pulled back down. Was good entry on our Discord alerts that we did 2 hours ago. And now it's pulling back down. ATBC pulling back down, everybody. And we might have other entry for it later on at the market open for a pullback entry. Now it's 66% up. YCBD hit the resistance as well around the 225. 42% currently doing all right as well. I'm gonna update the support around the 174 for today for YCBD. We're gonna have a really fun day today, guys. We got a lot of stocks, beats looking all right as well. Have a new level around the 444 to break for today. TLRY still jumping, guys, for today. 1533. We already did the alert for it from yesterday. We discussed this breakout entry. As you can see here, 1134 was the resistance. We hit the 12 and the 13, and now is around the $15, guys. What a nice jump for TLRY. Yes, TLRY did a really good jump from yesterday. Now 3% yesterday, 27%. So in total, 30%. CGC, other cannabis stock, doing all right. We have early breakout from the $2. Pets, the same. RILY, 7% up, and have to break the 620 to squeeze for today. Beyond Meat, currently in green, guys. Currently in green, started to reverse from yesterday. So I'm watching those stocks very closely for today. How everybody doing? Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Yes, we got a good day ahead of us. We'll see. AVGO, the same reversing. Expect a nice reversal for today. We need 5% reversal at least for AVGO for today, guys. 5%. We need 5% for a reversal. APLD, the same reversing. Yesterday 5%, today 2%. Today we expect maybe 10% jump. Now it's 2. Yeah, 10% jump is expected. Yesterday we did 5. Today we might do 10 because, as we said, it is heavily shorted lately. Not to mention Tesla, guys, hitting the all-time high almost around the $500, a new high, guys, for Tesla. Tesla is hitting a new high almost around the 500. Huge surge in the price action for Tesla. Going back to the main list for today, we got, yes, as we said, the ISPO. ISPO looking fantastic. We got a big seller to break at the market open around the 430 to squeeze around the 470. So we'll see if we're gonna have this jump at the market open to test those level between the 480 and 560. We didn't have any pullback yet for ISPO after the news of um, acquisition. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We got 5 minutes left. Morning, morning, everybody. Good morning, Lizzie, Ash, Xander, Karina. Good morning. So yeah, we got few minutes left at the market open, guys. Let's get right to it. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, guys. So good morning. Beyond Meat shorted 300K. Yes, we got a huge short open for Beyond Meat, guys. Huge shorts got opened for Beyond Meat. SMR, I will check it, man, before the market open. SMR or SMR. Yes, I'm gonna double check before the market open. Yeah, SMR broke the support. For now, we got a support been broken. Now have a few support to go to around the 1570, 1333, and 1120. Because huge seller just came around the 2314 and we didn't break this level. That's why we go down more. So watch out for those dips, brother, at the market open for today. We still continue the dip after the bad earnings that we got on the 6th of November. We went down 55%. Yes, a huge dip, man. Huge dip. Last earnings were bad. 1000%. 1000% suppressed down. SMR It looked good for a dip reversal, yes. Let's go. We got 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds to check the market. We got ISPO, VYNE, TBC, YCBD, BEAT, TRY, CGC, and RILY. Those the main ones, and especially this one that have acquisition news. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Remember, guys, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market on our YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe. So we got a little bit of pullback for the market. TLRY is pulling back a little bit because it's almost hit the 15, yeah, the 1533, which is the current resistance. So we might have a little pullback today around the 12 to correct for TLRY. Beat is pulling back as well. YCBD, nothing. ATBC, nothing. VYNE is holding the support. ISPO, nothing much, just below the current resistance here. Good afternoon, John. ISPO is a bit slow. Yeah, beat is correcting down, guys, is kind of overextended. Watching for the $3.24 reversal. We got RZLV. It's moving really good to test the resistance around the 327. CGC, guys, breaking out right now. Officially is breaking out. CGC is breaking out around the 215. CGC, guys, breaking out around the 215. TLRY is reversing as well. Beat is pulling back. So beat, maybe take it from the list. YCBD is a bit weaker here. So I'm gonna put CGC number one now because it's testing the profit taken. It might pull back a little bit here around $2.19. We hit $2.17. Yeah, it looked good for a squeeze for today. CGC is better than TLRY. Yeah, $2.19. It is the current resistance now for CGC. We got a huge test around the $2.19, guys, for CGC. Huge green. I think the CGC second all the cannabis volume because TLRY did a huge reversal yesterday. Now the time for CGC to shine, breaking the $2.20 and go toward the $2.37 now. VYNE, nothing much. It's putting back down. ATBC, the same, is pulling back. RZLV, we got a nice breakout, but now we have another resistance to break around the $3.37. Current support now is around the $3.08. Let us check the stock that been halted for today. First, the top gainers. Let's see the stock that been halted for today. We got UBFO, VTGN, VYNE, UDMI. This one I think have earnings. UDMI, UDMY. Let's see what's going on with this one. So we got the merger, guys. Udemy and other Coursera. Yeah, they are merging to give one platform that will be the place for learning. Interesting. I know Khan Academy, which was really good, but now this one is paid version. Okay, we got mergers, PCSA. This one is still halted up, or I don't know. Let's check if it's halted up or down. This one is reverse split. That's why it's got halted up. This one, nope. So yeah, CGC time for a pullback because we got near the $2.37. VYNE still pulling back. This one, ATBC, pulling back a lot, but it might be good for a reversal around the 1280. YCBD trying to break here. Yeah, the 2.25 is a strong resistance. RZLV is squeezing up, breaking the current resistance around the 3.37. It's almost hitting the 3.50. The profit taken. Yeah, YCBD is trying to break the 2.26. Okay, we got beat, YCBD, RILY. Dan, do you want the chart or do you watch our live streaming so I could cover it over there? Let me know. Let me just check those three. All of them, we have them here. Beat is not there. YCBD is here. RILY. RILY, YCBD. Okay, the best one right now is YCBD, brother, because it's breaking the current resistance. We got those levels, as you can see here. We got this support 174, second here around 142. And I think we got a huge seller here. Okay, lowering the profit taken here and there around the $3.34. We got the first support here. Second is there. Yes. So this is for plus profits because we might have a huge pullback from the 240. Yeah, this is for this one, YCBD. The second one, we got beats, which already hit a resistance before the market opened. Yeah, resistance profit taking there around 4.44. The last stock is RILY. Yeah, already hit a resistance here. So we got CGC, YCBD looking all right here. Beat pulling back, TLRY pulling back. Okay, CGC still pulling back. Let us see the stock that been halted again. PCSA is halted, I think. PCSA. Yeah, this one is halted, but I don't like it. Let's see the top gainer for today. We got PCSA, light on volume, have a reverse split lately. YCBD is the strongest one. ISPO merger, this one not good. This one a merger as well. SMX started to jump from the bottom. CGC hit the resistant. HUT 17%. What's going on? We got Bitcoin miner sales AI deal. So it is jumping because news 15%, jumping exactly 15% and might go more. This is crazy. HUT didn't have any pullback. Nothing. The whole market is pulling back. HUT, no pullback yet. It is near the all-time high. Lately had really good earnings. Yeah, HUT with the news it look really interesting. IRBT. Last time IRBT we discussed it was flashing down. And technically it's not squeezing, brother. Just tested the bottom. Where you see the squeeze, man, it's just 10% up. So yeah, it looked interesting because it held a really good bottom. Thank you for the reminder. I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list here. For SMX, John, we got a support around the 120 to hold, 120.40, and the current resistance is around the 154.85. If we broke it, we've got the 179.44 and the 201. But if you don't hold the 120, I will watch for a dip around the 99.80 instead. Yeah, IRBT 16% because it just triggered a bottom reversal. It just triggered a bottom reversal, yes. Now it's reversing, but it's too risky because it's still below the 104. And this is normal reaction when the stock tests a bottom. We get a lot of trader buying the dip, and this is make the price squeeze up. As we said, IRBT is too dangerous below the 104, John. John, if you can hear me from Earth to space, IRBT, we said 104 is the resistance. If we don't break it, it's not good to enter. Bottom 69. If we broke the 104, we have the 144, but it's highly risky. IRBT, highly risky. YCBD, we got kind of breakouts from the 240. We might have the 266 now. Look really juicy, YCBD. After that, we got VYNE. It might be good for a reversal from the 61 because we bounce. Beat is still beating down, is pulling back down. IRBT support 69. Beyond Meat return shares again. You see, we still didn't test the resistance here. Interesting. Okay, guys, as a reminder before we go further and discuss Beyond Meat, price action for today, Wednesday, because the price is pulling back just below the squeeze zone as we discussed from last video yesterday. Remember our content here only for educational purposes. So guys, Beyond Meat, we got, yeah, it's down just almost 2%. The reason is we have a little pullback. One of the main reason is getting near the white line. You see here, we almost tested this white line, and now we have a pullback. So what's the best case scenario? What we should expect before the close for today, guys, is a retest for this white line and break from it to have the squeeze here around the $1.20. So yesterday we did 5%. Today we should do 10% in order to have the first sign of squeeze. Not that much, to be honest, guys, because Beyond Meat could do like 30-40% if we have the right catalyst and the right buyer. However, today we still have the seller around $1.20, which is the level that we have to break in order to go toward the 137, 159, and 187. If we pull back, on the other hand, we've got the 94 as we discussed from yesterday in order to hold if we don't want to have a flash down for Beyond Meat. So this is a really important um, trend that we should hold for this month and the last few days and the 2 weeks that we've got. So if we consolidate it here before the end of this year, we might have the squeeze later on before the close for the trading session for this week, because I think next week the market will be closed for Christmas. So we might have a gift from Santa for us for a major squeeze before Christmas, because at the 1st of December we got this surprise actually, and we did 70%. So today or this week we might have the squeeze before Christmas, before even next week would be really good. Like ending for this trading session for this year. Let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna have the squeeze for Beyond Meat before Christmas or not? And as a reminder, guys, we've got a major update for Beyond Meat and other stock that almost we have update for you guys on Discord. Last time we did the for TLRY. As everybody knows, campus stocks is the main focus right now for everybody, because TLY started to squeeze, and we did alert yesterday for our hunters for watching for this orange line. If you see, this is an entry zone for us, 1134. We had 12, 13, and even 15, and the price pulled back. Yeah, we always do updates like those on our Discord, and link comes section below, everybody. So for now, we've got huge action, guys. IRBT like CMBM few weeks ago, 1000%. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. Because jumping like this need a lot of factors to make the stock jumping like that. We need a lot of factors to make the stocks jump like this. YCBD. I think it's losing a bit of momentum, guys. We don't have the huge buyer for it for now. IRBT 19%. It's getting near the 104. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes close to for IRBT, guys, because we might have a major squeeze here. Cryptos, we have a bit of movement for crypto, especially for Bitcoin, doing almost 2% here. Yes, sir. We got a bit of reversal for the market now. Huge gain in the market, especially for crypto stocks. You have to just believe. Petite petite l'oiseau fait son nid. Ah, I don't know this expression in French. What's I know a bit, a little bit. The bird make his what? I don't know what's mean nid in French, but really good expression. French have a lot of expression, man. I like French language because of that. It's visual language. TLRY is pulling back. CGC pulling back as well. Let us do a little recap. A recap for Tier Y that squeezed yesterday 30%. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes only. So Tier Y, guys, jumped really good. We already did update for it yesterday once the price was around the 11:30 for an hour Discord and Patreon, and price hit 12 and the $13 and beyond around of course we jumped until the 15, almost the $15. So where the price will go, because the squeeze and the reversal happened from the $10, and we got um, interesting buyers for Tier Y, especially Camp stocks raise on reports saying Trump may ease restriction this week. This week, not next week. So there's a lot of people waiting for Donald Trump to sign the contract about cannabis stocks and ease the constraint on them. So where the price will go if we have this news hit the market, because even without the news, we did 40% in Tier Y in a span of 22 hours or less than 1 day. This is crazy, guys. So for now, we got Tier Y hitting the $15 and now it's pulling back. However, we still got our buyer over the $10.30, and we might have another buyer or another whale will add their position around the $12. So there's two level of support around the 12 and over the 10. As long as we hold those two levels this week until we get the news, we're gonna have another squeeze up. This time we might have from the current price around the 13, we might have another 40%, because we did 40% here. We might do another 40%, at least around the $20. So it's psychological level, guys. It's mean Tier Y doubled in few days, or maybe in 1 week if we went toward the $20 by the next week before Christmas. So this would be a huge Christmas present for all the traders who hold in Tier Y. So let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna have the $20 before the end of this year? Would be crazy, guys. But this is depends officially on the news that everybody waiting for Donald Trump to sign order easing restriction on marijuana stocks. This is might happen this week, guys. So where the price will go, and if the price, or if we have this news or we have a spike, we're gonna do the update first on our Discord and Patreon, like what we did yesterday for the precise entry and exit. The link comment section below, guys. If you want to join before the jump, because once the jump happened, will be too late to act or buy the stock. So we got again, what else we got? IRBT 32%. Are you kidding me? 25%. Yes, hitting almost the resistance here around the 104. Interesting, yes. 104, it is the level that we should test for IRBT to squeeze. CGC, nothing much here. Y, nothing much right now. VYNE, nope. So VYNE looking really strong, guys, because might reverse RILY the same. VYNE, nope. Beat might reverse here. This is it. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming. We're gonna do a major update later on our Discord to discuss the market in depth for the best unicorn, the best swing trade. Today we have really good swing trade for you guys, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market opens.